Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope everybody's well. Got a very nice marine grade M15 PACLOCK 5-pinner brass shackle. You guys can see the stamp there. 5-pinner. There's the core. This thing's key retaining, ball bearing mechanism, and it weighs a ton. Awesome piece. Let's see if we can do something with this guy. I'll get my bottom of the tension, bottom of the keyway. Go right to the back. Pin number, it's a 5-pinner. So that was a click out of 5, click out of 4, click out of 3. Just going to reset that again. Go right back again. That was 5, 4, 3, and a click there out of, okay. So I'm going to go back now, see if I missed something. Pin number 1 is okay. 2, 3. Okay, so now, so I've got a binder with the last spool most likely, and because this thing is dead core, I'm most likely going to just have to twist this core just slightly. Let's see if we can do it, and set this last pin, and we got it. Got it open, guys, all spools. The PACLOCK M15, just a nice lock. I've been looking for one of these. There's the key. And that dead core is pretty interesting when you're doing bottom of the keyway, but I guess that's my way of just trying to manually counter rotating, try to get that last pin. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button and subscribe. The PACLOCK M15 5-pinner Marine SPP. Thanks, guys.